today on IBAN implementation in Qatar.
Correct.
Can you give insight on IBAN?
IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number. The global payment systems plays a very vital role. We have to ensure safety, we have to ensure accuracy, and also we have to ensure efficiency. That's why a global banking system has certain new promulgations, and every central bank is delivering this goal. Clearly, 34 alphanumeric digit character is the maximum, and each country has got certain identifiable ISO standard codes, and each country, each central bank again will have their own nuances to identify a customer number. It is a global digital payment standardization, and again customer identification is done through the standardization. We factor the local nuances as well. For example, Qatar Central Bank has set in new discipline. From 1st of January we have to comply, and of course we have time up to 30th of April.
How is IBAN initiative implemented in Qatar?
Well, Qatar has been very proactive in setting the standards. Qatar has set in digital advantage in terms of payment mechanisms. You have clearly remittances are all international standards set in, ISO standards set in. SWIFT remittances are integrated, straight through processing is taking place, local payments as well as international payments. That's precisely the reason 29 digits have been identified for Qatar, and first two letters QA is the standard set, and again numerical codes are embedded into it, total 25 characters, 21 for the existing account number. It's not a new account number. Factoring the international standards, adding into your embedded number is what the new standardization is all about. So it is going to be 29, 25, 21 plus 4 plus the international code will be the composition. So 21 for the existing account number, 4 for the SWIFT code for the existing account number, and international digitization will take place with additions.
And what is the scope of IBAN in Qatar?
Scope is huge. See, it's very important that we recognize the payment control mechanism we need. As I said, efficiency is important, controls is important, security is important. Essentially, you want to have online digital payments, straight through processing. Speed and efficiency is important, and that will clear the myth, reconciliations, and again the pending payment process will be standardized now once and for all to international set digitization codes. That will stimulate speed and accuracy in the digital advantage.
When is IBAN going to be implemented in Qatar?
Qatar is planning to execute in full respects by 30th of April, but we are starting now. 1st of January, every other bank in Qatar should make sure they communicate to the customers either through newspapers or through websites or through phoning individual customers. They have to notify the customers, and customers should also, by month end of January, they have to necessarily recognize. They can come to the bank and ask for the number as well. But at the same time, parallelly we will be running the overall IBAN to make sure, in addition to the regular payment mechanism, international code is embedded.
How will Qatari banks support IBAN implementation?
They have an obligation to execute within the standard time. They have to necessarily make sure they communicate to the customer. They also have to necessarily regulate certain standards, parallel systems when you run for 4 months, ensuring the accuracies. If there are discrepancies in the internal external payment systems, inflow or outflow of payments, they have to fix it. That's the process they have to embark on, and every other bank has gone through rigorous testing, training, and ensuring accuracy in the overall execution.
Finally, highlight the major benefits of IBAN to Qatar banking industry.
It's very vital. See, if you are a bank, your payment systems is global. Now, with digital advantage, if you are ensuring standardization, it means speed, accuracy, and efficiency comes in, and that's the very purpose of the overall framework. And it is going to be preventing any extraneous intrusion into the overall payment mechanism. It will also improve the speed and accuracy in overall payment systems. Today, the SWIFT code is set in as standards, ISO standards are set in, but if we integrate local payment clearing or collections, internal or external payments, inflow or outflow into the international standards, then the accuracy, safety is ensured. And that's what customer wants, that's what the regulators want, that's what the international standardization is all about. That's good for everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Siddharth.
Thank you.